Dear students, in this video I am going to discuss about the fourth indicator of economic development, that is Human Development Index, HDI. HDI is the most recent indicator of economic development. United Nations Development Programme, that is UNDP, presented the Human Development Report HDR in 1990. In that report, HDI was presented as a measure of development. HDI is prepared by considering economic and non-economic aspects. That means here in HDI, not only economic aspects but also social aspects are considered. Indian economists contributed in evolving or in developing HDI. Improvements were introduced in the minimum and maximum values of HDI in the year 2010. Just like PQLI, here also in HDI there are three determinants. Now what are those determinants? So first one, that is life expectancy. We have already studied about life expectancy. Life expectancy means what is the expected number of years a person will live at the time of birth. That determines the life expectancy. If life expectancy is less than 50 years, that means in a country if life expectancy, average life is less than 50 years, that country is said to be deficient in health. That means higher the life expectancy, better the HDI. Next one, that is knowledge. To know the quantum of knowledge, adult literacy in percentage is calculated. That means here when we talk about knowledge, in case of HDI, knowledge refers to adult literacy ratio. Now, when we talk about adult literacy, it means that people in the age group of 15 years and above are included. Here two aspects are there, that is average number of years of schooling and expected number of years of schooling. That means on an average how many years a child goes to school and what is the expected number of years that a child should go to school. So the gap between expected and actual number of years of schooling is taken to derive the value. Knowledge data, it depicts social achievements. As we have discussed that HDI just not only takes into consideration economic aspects but it also takes into consideration non-economic or social aspects. So here knowledge data, it depicts about social achievements. Last one, that is good standard of living. So the availability of facilities like water, electricity, drainage, housing, transportation, communication, health, also protein and fats and calories required for a citizen, these all comprise standard of living. Now all these depend upon income, and income index is that in which gross national income, per capita income, is measured on the basis of purchasing power parity, that is PPP. That means it is measured in terms of US dollars. Income data depicts the standard of living and this in turn shows the economic achievements.